Very good morning, students. Myself L.K. Tripathi from LPM Public School. Dear children, this is the second part of your video, that is geography. Now, the topic is natural vegetation of Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Tropical monsoon deciduous forests are natural to this region, comprising trees like teak, sal, and mahua, which shed their leaves in the dry winter, and bamboos, which are common in the Brahmaputra valley. In the higher altitudes of the Himalayas, coniferous forests are found. Coniferous forests are very much valuable. The production of the different types of trees from this forest are used for various types of activities. The deltic tracts are occupied by the Sundari trees, which is also the origin of the name Sundarbans. This delta has got its name on this tree, that is Sundari tree. It is grown in Sundarbans. This is also the largest mangrove forest in the world and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. No doubt about that. Largest mangrove forest found in the world, rarely available it is, and the Sundarban is one of them, that is mangrove forest. The World Heritage Site has been declared by the UNESCO, that is an important body of the United Nations. The flora in this region has adapted itself to the saline and tidal conditions of the delta area. Next, that is wildlife. What type of wildlife is found there? Let's discuss it. It is mostly concentrated in the Sundarbans regions and parts of the Brahmaputra valley. Elephants, rhinoceros, tigers, deer, monkeys, and wide variety of fish such as the rohu, katla, hilsa, etc., along with crocodiles and alligators are found here. The Royal Bengal tiger is an inhabitant of the Sundarbans forest, and the one-horned rhino is only found in the Brahmaputra plains. The floodplains of the Brahmaputra are marked by a large number of wetlands which serve as a unique habitat for a great number of plants and animals. Wildlife has, however, diminished in most parts of the valley due to rising population and diminishing forest cover. So, a danger has been created before the wildlife which is found in this region, and the cause goes to diminishing of the forest, most part of the valleys, deforestation, increasing of population. These are the reasons the wildlife is getting in danger. Now see here, the Royal Bengal tiger is found in this region, that is Sundarban. Number B, one-horned rhino in Kaziranga, that is also part of Sundarban Delta. So, rare and endangered animals are found in this region. It is responsibility of all the people of the country to save them and protect them for long time. In this way we have discussed about the Ganga Brahmaputra Valley, Deltic region, the types of forest, wildlife and so on. Rest we shall discuss in the next video. Till then, thank you.